Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel. This is Clara, and you're back to Clara's Corner. In today's video, I want to show you how to make very sweet, yummy yogurt so that you don't have to be buying from the supermarket and stores. Stick to this video, watch it, and learn something beneficial. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are making this very creamy, yummy yogurt. Super easy to make. If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. So the major ingredient to use in making yogurt is milk, and what I have here is a full cream milk. You only need to use a full cream milk to make your yogurt so that the yogurt can come out so well. I have lacto-rich full cream milk in this pot. I'm going to use it to make this yogurt and it will come out so well. I'm using 2 cups of milk as you saw me putting in the pot, and I'm going to add 4 cups of water into the milk to mix very well. After adding 4 cups of water into your milk, you mix properly, mix very well to make sure there are no more lumps remaining inside the milk. After mixing the milk very well, make sure no lumps remaining inside. You light up your gas and start heating the milk on a very low heat. Make sure to stir continuously as you are heating the milk so that the milk doesn't burn. Once the milk heats up very well, you turn off the heat and allow the milk to cool down a bit. As you can see here, I did not allow the milk to boil. You don't have to make the milk boil, just heat it up and put off the gas. And the next step is to keep the milk to reduce heat. Pour the milk into a bowl for the cooling process to take place. While the milk is cooling a bit, you will notice the milk is forming clots on top. Then you have to gently remove the clots and discard it. At this point, you have to check how cool your milk has become. You may do this by placing some milk on your skin. If the milk cannot hurt you so bad after 10 seconds, then it's ready for fermentation. The next step is to introduce your starter or culture into your milk for fermentation. Yogurt is being formed from the bacterial fermentation of milk, and that bacteria is usually gotten from a starter or culture. Now you can make your own culture or buy a yogurt that has live culture in it. For this particular video, I'll be using a culture I already have in the house. That's what I'm going to be introducing. I've already poured it in the video. You saw me pouring something in the red cup into this mixture of milk. That is the culture I have in the house already that I'm using to make this particular yogurt. I think I will be putting up a video on how to make culture for yourself. You can also buy unsweetened yogurt from a shop or supermarket that sells yogurt, unsweetened yogurt that has live culture in it to ferment your milk for your yogurt. After adding your culture into your milk, you mix very well and cover the bowl tightly so that air doesn't penetrate into the bowl. You can also use a thick kitchen towel to cover and place in a cool and dark place in your house. Find a place that is cool, dark, and place it. You can place it in your cupboard, in your cooler, in your oven, whichever place you find comfortable keeping it so that it doesn't get disturbed. Nobody touches it. You cover very well and keep in any of these cool places that are also dark to help ferment the milk properly. After wrapping the bowl with kitchen towel, I'm going to place in my oven. I'm going to use my oven to help in the fermentation process. I'm going to on the light in the oven to help the fermentation go very well. Hey guys, welcome back. After 8 hours, here is what our yogurt is looking like. Can you see? Just check out our yogurt. This yogurt is looking so beautiful, well formed, so yummy. Just look at this creamy goodness. The texture, the thickness is so lush. You can see that making yogurt is very easy. At this point, you have your normal natural yogurt. So from this yogurt now, you can convert to Greek yogurt if you wish to. You can do that by removing the water that is in this yogurt, straining the water out to have a very thick yogurt that is called Greek yogurt. You can do that by straining it out. You can see from this video some water inside this yogurt. By the time you sieve it out, it becomes so thick, you will have your Greek yogurt. But for the purpose of this video, I'm making just natural normal yogurt because that's what my kids ask for. I'm making it for my kids, so I'm going to leave it at this stage. Mix it properly. You can use your blender, stick blender. You can use your whisk to mix it properly so that it becomes more smoother. After doing that, then you can pop this goodness into your fridge. This is what you can make for yourself and your family to enjoy without having fear of how it's being made. This is so healthy. Every family needs to be taking yogurt. So after mixing it properly, I'm going to package and sweeten one for myself. Then I'm going to add sugar to the one I'm going to give to my kids. I'll package and sweeten one for myself, then add sugar to the one I'm going to give to my kids. So guys, at this point, if you have been watching this video and you've not subscribed, oh my god, what did I do to you guys? Please support me in this platform. Support me. Try and like my video, share my video to your friends and family, send in your comments, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. That is the most important one for me. Try and subscribe to my channel and also put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I am so grateful for you guys always coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. God bless you all for me. I love you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. God bless you and enjoy. Go and make this yogurt. Make it for yourself, for your family, and have a good taste of good yogurt.